What's up everybody, JH10 Art here, and today I'm going to be showing you all the difference between Prismacolor pencils and Copic markers. And these are the colored pencils. If you want to use them, they're called Prismacolor pencils. Throughout my years of drawing, in the beginning I did not know how to use these Prismacolor pencils, but I'm going to tell you all how to properly use them. So right here I'm starting off with a base layer. And now I'm going in to cover the entire face. In order to get a good use of these colored pencils, you are going to want to put some pressure onto the colored pencil because you want to cover the entire face with the color. I did end up making the face a little too saturated, so I'll fix that later. And here I'm going in with a darker color to fill in the shadows. But remember to put pressure onto the colored pencil is super essential. Here I am fixing the color of the face with a lighter colored pencil. A helpful tip when you go in a little too dark with a colored pencil that you are not expecting to be as dark as it was is to go over it with a lighter colored pencil, but it has to be within the same shade, or you can also use the color white. Remember everybody, it's essential to put pressure on the colored pencil in order to get the full color on whatever you are drawing. And we are done with the Prismacolor pencil side. Now it's time to move on to the Copic markers. And Copic markers are fairly easy to use. Honestly, you just kind of have to fill in the drawing itself completely. Make sure that when you go in with the alcohol based markers, do not leave it blotchy. It just makes the drawing look really bad. The real struggle for alcohol based markers is when it comes down to blending. A lot of newer artists have a lot of hard time with this. And if you want to learn how to blend with markers, I actually made a tutorial about it. It's going to be in the top right hand corner of this video, and you can also check it out on my playlist for the how to draw section. But like I said, using Copic markers is fairly easy. All you have to do is really completely fill in the drawing with the marker itself. Something important to keep in mind is to remember that Copic markers are not the only option for alcohol-based markers. When I first started using alcohol-based markers, I started with a really cheap brand. And this was mostly because I wanted to get the feel of the alcohol-based markers. There are other great options such as Ohuhu markers, which I am yet to try out, and also Blick Studio Art markers, which I really like because they are refillable and they are super good and they feel just like Copic. But yeah everybody, here is the final outcome. Let me know in the comment section if you like the left side better with the Prismacolor pencils, or if you like the right side more with the alcohol based markers. Also, if you really liked the video and it really helped you out, make sure to smash that like button. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. And if you are new, also make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. But other than that, everybody, peace out.